Today we're back out in Waxahachie, Texas in the Waterfall Ranch community, and we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful John Huston home behind me here. This is their Madrid floor plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a 3-car garage. It's got an office and a game room in this floor plan. It's 3,093 square foot, all on 1 acre in this single-story home here. It's beautiful, and it's currently listed at $709,900. So let's go ahead and take a look at it right now. All right, so here we are on the inside of this beautiful Madrid floor plan by John Huston Homes. Got a beautiful 8-foot door here in the entryway, and we've got nice tray ceiling right here as well in the entryway, letting in a lot of really good natural light there on the door. Got a coat closet here right off the entryway as well. And then as you're walking in, it'd be to your left. You've got this office or study right here with the tray ceiling. Got the lighting, beautiful light fixture there. And then additional lighting there as well. We've got the double doors to close the office off completely. And then these double windows here looking out to the front. These are double hung windows, so you can fold these in to clean them. Got this beautiful lighter shade of luxury vinyl plank here as well throughout the home. And then we've got this beautiful vaulted ceiling throughout the living room and the dining space right there. So this is one long room here that we've got. So this living room, it's got a lot of space and got lots of natural light to the private backyard back there. So 3 big picture windows here. We've got double doors to go out to the back porch. And then we've got 3 more windows here in the kitchen. There's also another door right here to the back porch as well. So we'll take a look at that some more here in a second. Got a beautiful fireplace set up. This does have a buried propane tank. So you've got gas logs right here in the fireplace. And this beautiful tile surround here. Got the electronics all set up for a TV and everything. I love how this vault goes all the way through this plan right here. So right here you've got, a natural dining space set up right here off the kitchen, and then kind of an additional area right there if you wanted to have some additional seating. I think that's a great spot to have additional chairs set right there, and then your full dining room table right here. In the kitchen, you've got this really big center island, beautiful pendant lights. Once again, tray ceiling right here. Many people have seen, many of the builders will actually add the wood in there, the wood inlay. So you could do that after the fact. I think it's a really beautiful touch, just stained wood inlay there. Got tons of space here for, a large fridge, cabinetry going all the way up to the ceiling. So you've got lots of storage here in this kitchen, and then all the counter space over here, more cabinetry, the big windows there as well, looking out to the backyard. More counter space over there. Got double ovens stacked and then a microwave above it. We got a gas range right here. Once again, it's getting the fuel from that buried propane tank in the backyard or side yard. We got this vent hood, it's vented to the outside. And a real deep sink right here. And you've got your dishwasher right here on the island. Got a good space here for the pantry, right here in the corner. You can walk in and get everything all organized. So this is a split floor plan design. As you're walking in, you've got the office right up front, bedrooms 2, 3, and 4 are off on the side and the front corner over there. And then you've got the game room in the back there. We'll go over there in a minute. And then this way, we've got the master bedroom. So we've got continued the LVP flooring throughout into the master, and they vaulted the ceiling in here as well. So I love that look in the master. Got really good lighting. You got 3 big windows looking out to your private backyard. You've got those big trees in the backyard. So once again, in this community, it really does showcase some beautiful lots that not all of them have the trees in the back, but these last few that I've documented have these big, beautiful, mature trees in the backyard. We've got double doors to close off to the master bath. We've got a split vanity setup here. And then we've got 3 big windows here. They're all frosted. So they are, ready to let in some beautiful natural light. You can crack them open too if you'd like and let in a breeze. And then we've got this really big standalone tub here that's kind of a center feature of the bathroom. Really pretty. As we come around back here, we've got a nice walk-in shower that drops down. It's a mud pan bottom. So you've got, everything draining out. You don't have, any kind of, it's all tile in here. You got your controls right here to the left. Nice bench seat there, and then your shower head right there. So really good size shower. And for those of you that don't like all the glass that you'd have to clean, this is probably the best shower option for you, because you really don't have all that glass to clean off, get the water spots on it and everything. Sure, you've got grout and all that you need to probably seal and get cleaned and everything every now and then, but not like those water spots that just show up right away. Got a room here for the toilet, the door to close it off. Then you've got another linen closet right here. It's a beautiful bathroom, the master bath. And we've got the master closet here. Got shelves already set up, lots of really good hanging space. And then additional shelving back there. Now this does go directly into the laundry room. Some people love that feature, some people hate it. But this one does have that feature. I think it does add some really good convenience. For doing laundry, you got it right here. You got a full size washer and dryer space. So this laundry room is a little bit smaller than some of the ones that I've documented in the past, but it's still got really good cabinetry space right there. If you wanted to, keep this door closed, you could remove the door stop right there, keep that closed, and then you just have a fridge or freezer right there. I think you could probably do that. And I mean, it'd be a little bit tight, depending on the layout there, but you may be able to make that work with a standing freezer there. And if not, you can always keep it in your garage here as well. Tons of space here in the garage. 3-car garage right here. You've got 3 windows looking out to the front yard. Attic access right there. You've got your water shut off for the whole house right there. And you've got sprinkler system controls over on the wall over here. So the sprinkler system's already set up for the portion of the yard that is sodded. And with this being on acreage, it is also on septic. So it's got a buried septic tank, aerobic septic, that treats that water. Okay, so we've got 2 big hot water heaters in here as well. All right, so coming back around, once again, that was the master, so we just toured that. We'll go on to the other side of the house here. We'll take a look at these 3 bedrooms here. So this one is the bedroom that has a window off to the side of the home here. Got a beautiful bench seat right there. You can see these 2 green tops right here in the side yard. That's the septic system. So it's an aerobic septic system that it's like a mini sewer plant. Treats the water that it can treat with chlorine tablets, and then the solids have to be taken away, every so often. So nice big closet right here. And this bedroom's a good size as well. And we've got dual vanities right here for these 3 bedrooms to share. That's always nice to have in a secondary bathroom. And we got a tub shower combo. That's great to have that extra tub as well. Toilet right there. So this bathroom is right off of the living room. So this one could be used by company. There's another one too that probably would be the more preferred one for company though. I'll show you that in a minute. Got a linen closet right here for these 3 bedrooms to share right next to the bathroom. So that's always helpful. This front bedroom here, you've got these beautiful double windows looking out front. Lots of really good lighting. Got the ceiling fans in these rooms already. This is nice. Really good sized closet here as well. All right, heading into this 4th and final bedroom here. We've got 1 window out to the front. So this is probably the smallest one. And this closet, it's still pretty good size, but it's a smaller one as well than the other 3 secondary bedrooms. All right, so heading back here to the back portion of the home, they've got the game room. So this could flex to be a 5th bedroom too. So, there's no traditional closet in here, but you can solve that with a big dresser or something like that if you really wanted to flex this up to an additional bedroom, or just keep it for company. When company comes over and stays with you, it could be that, it could be your theater room, all sorts of options here. All right, and this is the other bathroom I was talking about that might be, a really good bathroom for a company to be able to use. Got your vanity right there, got your toilet here, and then a nice walk-in shower here as well with you know, all this tile, and it's a mud pan bottom as well with the tile there. The shower head there. So really good size bathroom here at the back portion of the home. Then we've got the back porch here. So we've got access from this door here, and then the double doors right off of the dining space. It's a little bit windy today, so sorry if that's picking up on the microphone. Nice big covered back porch here. And then once again, talking about the privacy that's already built in right here. These beautiful trees. It's already built in and ready to enjoy. You've got these flags here in the back. Those are the septic spray heads where that treated water is put out back out on the land, and then the lot keeps going further back there. A beautiful Madrid plan by John Huston. Once again, just to recap on this home here, we have been touring this beautiful Madrid floor plan by John Huston Homes here in Waxahachie, Texas, specifically in the Waterfall Ranch community. And it is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home. It's got the office up front here, and then the game room or media room in the back here. Could flex up to the 5th bedroom. So great flexibility here in this floor plan. It's 3,093 square foot as currently built, and it's got a 3-car garage. It's all on 1 acre, and as you can see behind me here, these beautiful woods behind me, adding in some really good privacy built in, ready to go in this home. And it's currently priced at $709,900. So this home is really beautiful. This neighborhood's turning out beautifully as well. It's just a quick, you know, maybe 10 minutes into the central part of town, counting, you know, stopping in the stoplights and everything and traffic. So pretty quickly you can get into the middle of Waxahachie and get your shopping done. Now, as you shoot up the highway, you can get to downtown Dallas in just 30 minutes. You can get out to Fort Worth on 287 in about 45 minutes. So it's located very well here in Waxahachie. But it's definitely a beautiful home. It is ready to go. So if you've got your eye on a beautiful brand new home you're looking to upgrade into in 2026, this one is here for you. So once again, I do not actually represent the builders that I showcase here on this channel, but I can help represent you. So if you've got your mindset on making a move in and around DFW, or you're moving to DFW for the very first time, definitely reach out. We can answer, you know, all your questions, talk through whatever you've got, and make a smooth game plan for you to get set here in Ellis County, Texas, or the surrounding areas here in DFW as well. If you've got other areas that you want to check out as well. So definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help out. But thank you all so much for watching each and every week. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you all next week. Y'all take care.